The Welding Technology program at Glendale Community College creates opportunities in this highly sought-after field.
The GCC Welding Program really opened doors for me. I took the class. I was nervous, I was the only girl, but everyone was really welcoming. I learned a lot, and I did the whole certification. It helped me read blueprints, it helped me learn welding symbols, and now I'm on my way to becoming a welding inspector.
A lot of students are a little intimidated when they first come. There is a little bit of sparks and some smoke. Once they get their personal protective gear on, they realize this is actually a very safe environment.
I always wanted to be a welder since I was a young age, but never had the courage. I never believed in myself that a woman can be a welder. It took until my late 20s to finally say, you know what, let's take an opportunity and a chance and see if I like it or not. First, I was really scared. It kind of seemed like a small fireworks show, but once you get the flame under control, it's really, really cool.
I was introduced to welding at my father's shop, MIG welding in particular. Didn't know anything about welding, I was just welding. And I happened to find out about the welding program at Glendale College. And when I walked into the shop, it felt like as if I was walking into a candy shop. It had every tool, multiple type of welders, from the MIG to the TIG to the stick, along with the oxyacetylene. We had an iron worker which shears, bends, punches holes in thick metals. It was all there.
We also offer virtual reality machines to learn how to assess the students quickly.
The welding profession is open to anyone, regardless of experience.
We don't see a lot of women welders in this field, but once I hit the classroom and I started practicing, I knew this profession was for me.
For me, it was a program that I could never have enough of. Once I walked in, that was it.
I was a waitress before this, so it's pretty cool.